Hey you guys, it's Peter, and I just started my first day hike in Yosemite. It's April 4th of 2015. Looks like we're gonna have a pretty weather today, so everything should stay dry and stuff. I'm looking forward for this adventure. So I'm about half an hour into the hike and it's really cool. I'm not sure how it's gonna show up on the camera, but it is amazing. Closer look to the first to our first waterfall. I'm not sure if there's gonna be more, but there's certainly one here. Awesome. Hey there, I'm about 1 hour into this day hike and started around 7:25, actually 7:20 I think, and now it's 8:18 in the morning. I just wanted to show you guys this nice little trail here. It's I think I'm on the John Moore trail right now. Could be mistaken, but yeah, this is really cool. The waterfall, what I just showed, is right behind this rock. It might gonna be visible after I get up there, but it's really cool. It's like from the 1800 or something, you know. These stairs are pretty nice, huh? This is the waterfall from above. So the waterfall is called the Vernal waterfall. So I just wanted to tell you guys and show this part of the hike. This is solid rock down here. Well, I'm not really sure. I think back there, that's the half dome, which is my destination, if you say. Awesome. There's a little bridge here. We're gonna cross the creek the second time. Yeah, it's good to look for these things too. They just help you to navigate, you know, so you know where you are when you see like a bridge or something, because the maps they do show the crossings, they show the creeks, and then when you see that you're crossing the trail is crossing it, then you know where you are, right? I'm not sure if you guys hear me now, but it is pretty loud. It sounds really amazing. Man. The whole bottom of the bed of the creek is solid rock down there. It's pretty cool. Probably washed away all the dirt and stuff. Alright, I'm out. It's Peter here. I was gonna take off a layer like 15 minutes back, but yeah, it got a little better, so I'm keeping all 4 layers for now. The hike has been going for 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I just got to the second waterfall, which I have no idea what its name is, but I'm not sure. I can't see it on the display, but it's right there behind the trees. The HDR is not really working when I'm shooting a video, but I'm pretty sure that you can hear it. Look at these stairs. I dig it. I don't know, it's just I like history, and these kind of things, they remind me of that that we've been around for a while, we humans. I don't know, it's just fascinating to me. Here's the first closer look on the second waterfall. I'm going up there. The stairs, they go up right there. Awesome. It got steep again. I'm good. I haven't stopped yet. Thanks for my Camelback. I can just drink some while I'm hiking. Seems like the waterfall is getting away, or it seems like you're not heading towards it, so I don't know. I'm not sure if you're gonna pass it or not. So I'm pretty sure that that's the half dome. I'm right underneath. I've been coming from underneath for a while, so I just didn't know. I just didn't know that that's it. So we're just gonna go around and take a left and stuff, and it's probably gonna take me a good hour or more. All right. Very nice. So I just took off a layer. Because it got flat up here, and the sun started to hit the trail and me. I'm not sure about these videos, I mean the quality, because this is a new phone. It's a Galaxy S5, and I think it has image stabilizing. I mean, I know it's not gonna fix everything, but the image stabilizing could fix the annoying shaking so at least you would only see the you know, the the movement of me, not the shaking. But I'm not sure. I need to look that up. Could have it, and why doesn't? I don't know. But yeah, I've been going for about 2 hours now. It's 9:14 in the morning, so yeah, a really nice spring weather here. Well, a Californian spring weather, not a regular or not a European one, at least. I grown up in a country where it could still freeze during these months. In Hungary, well, yeah, in Central Europe, same weather as there is in Germany, Austria, you know. So Hungary is pretty much the same, I think, comparing the weather and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna continue here. So there's a river on the right, which I assume, yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's the same Merced river, what we've been following for all day. I mean, for 2 hours. So I looked up the menu, the settings in my camera, on my phone, and I just turned on the image stabilizing or image stabilization. So I apologize that it's probably gonna be shaky, and the first clips. There's 2 guys coming. Alright, I'm out. So I think that's the half dome. The other one before wasn't, I think. I'm just guessing here, you know. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna go up anyways, wherever it is. I met a couple person coming up here, and one lady was asking if I'm gonna try to do the half dome. And I was like, no, I don't try it. I'm just gonna do it. You know, like, I'm not an expert. Like, I'm not. This is my 3rd day hike in my life, I think. I mean, it could be the 4th, but when I was a kid, I don't really remember if that was a whole day or not, or a couple hours. I don't remember. But as an adult, this is my 3rd day hike, so I'm not an expert at all. But I'm just fit, and I push it, you know. Like, I don't need to push it right now. It's pretty easy for me to go, you know. So I'm just saying that if this was a challenge, then no, it's not gonna be a challenge. I think it's gonna be a really good adventure, but not like a challenge in a sense that I need to try it or whatever. I mean, you know, I'm just gonna do it. That's all. Ooh. All right. So, thoughts about the hike. If anyone wants to do it, and in case if you wanna take a break after about 2.5 hour hike, I recommend to do it right after the second waterfall, which I still don't know the name. But yeah, so after that, after the second waterfall, there's a huge plain up there, and there's also a camping site, or I don't know what that is, but I seen a sign said something camping. So yeah, it's pretty chilly, sunny, dry, and flat up there, you know. So if you want to take a break, then do it there, because that's about halfway to the top, you know. So I haven't stopped. I don't really, I mean, I'm enjoying the hike, so I'm not like running up, but I'm not stopping. I don't like to eat and sit for too long. Like, all break I had is to take a picture here and there and take off one sweatshirt. So that's all. I'm just saying that I usually don't stop, but if you do want to stop, then I'd say to do it in halfway through the hike. So it's right down there, somewhere down there, the plain, and there's the river too. So if you, I don't know, if you need water the back way, or I don't know, you know, then you could get some if you have a filter. Yeah. All right, I'm up here. I'm not sure where, but we are probably 2/3 or 3/4 the way up to the half dome. It's somewhere up there. And I met Sean. Do you mind if you're in the video?
Hey.
So, yeah. And he seems like a nice guy. He's by himself right now, and we're just probably gonna do this hike together for the second half of it. Not sure. Yeah, you guys can see that there's snow up there. I have no idea what that mountain's called, but whatever, there's snow up there. It's pretty, the weather is pretty good. Alright guys, we're up here. Me and Sean, I don't know where, but probably 3/4 way. It's been almost 4 hours, and I'm still not up on the top. It's pretty good though. The weather is good, not so much wind, and we're just having a little break. The first one for me. And it's pretty good. All of you guys missing out if you haven't been here in Yosemite. All right. So we got up there on the plateau. This is basically the base of the half dome. Only the last part is left now. That's the top right there. So we are right down here under the cables, and I know it looked steeper from far back there. It looks a little better from here actually. Surprisingly, it doesn't look that bad as we are getting closer. But we'll see. So I'm about 2/3 the way up of the dome itself. I mean, I'm only talking about the steep, the climbing part, not the hiking part. The climbing part is 2/3 down right now. It's pretty good, man. I mean, it is freaking steep. Like, if I look down there, there's people, I hear them talking, but it's so steep that you can't see down there. You see? You don't see anyone? there was like 2 or 3 persons down there, just to have an idea how steep this is. So nothing to be scared, but just to, you know, just to be informed how this thing works. And I'm secured, as you see. I have like a harness made out of rope. These guys taught me, and I'm lucky because they had an extra set. One of the guys decided to don't come up. He's waiting down there. You see that small red dot down there? That's one of them, I think. At least around somewhere there. And yeah, he gave me all his gear, and I wouldn't be able to do this because I wouldn't do it without without securing myself, you know. All right, I'm just gonna continue climbing. All right, guys, we got up here. It's 12:50. It's 12:50 at noon, and we got this day hike done. At least the first half of it. I mean, we are up there on the peak in 5 hours, 5.5 hours. So it took exactly 5.5 hours. It's pretty good up here. The elevation is around 7,100, which is freaking awesome. I've never been up this high before. Yeah, it's definitely cool. I think this is my highest hike ever. And also we started around I think 4,500 feet, and up here it's 71, I think. So it's about 2.5, it's about 2,500 feet hike. Pretty good. It is pretty good. Alright, I'm out for now. The adventure seemed to be over, at least the interesting part of it. The first half. Alright, I'm out. Here, I'm still up here on the peak, and I just spotted I spotted some snow up here, which is pretty interesting to me because I never been up this high, and it is, I don't know, it's just, I've seen snow before. I've grown up in Europe, but I don't know, just the elevation and the snow up here on the top is just, I don't know, it's just new to me, you know, another experience. So it's pretty icy snow, so I'm guessing that it's really old, like, I don't know, could be a couple of months, could be years. I have no idea how old it is, but it is icy, but it's cool. Just want to share it with you guys. Alright, I'm out. I'm coming down on the trail. I don't know, I probably have more than the half of the hike left, going backwards. That's good. There's a squirrel right there. He wasn't scared of me. He probably feed them, which isn't good. Look at that big rock. It's like a size of a freaking house. Alright, I think this is my last video, so I'm closing up here. Alright, see you guys.